The thing I like about a rice cooker is that you can really do a lot of rice for a lot of people if you're having a lot of guests over. I'm going to cook 5 cups of rice in the rice cooker, and there are different settings on your rice cooker, so you can choose whether you want to cook white or brown, and it knows exactly what to do for you. There is a line on the inside of the pan. So I'm going to add water up to the 5-cup mark. If you want to make it a little bit nicer, a little more flavorful, you can use an herb or garlic butter. And then we just hit our menu button and select white rice for white rice, and it actually will, you don't even have to tell it how long to cook. And when it's ready, it will tell you on the rice cooker screen. It will blink and it'll even keep it warm for you up to several hours, which is really great for a large group.